just have to copy me, you just have to follow my steps. And the most important thing is here, are you willing to stay consistent? Stop watching YouTube tutorials that leads you nothing. This series is different. Welcome to my channel. This is me, Aishwarya, and today I'm going to start a complete series for creating a web application. And this is the first time in this channel we are going to start a web series to build a complete step-by-step web application by using Oracle Apex. If you are ready for this, so let's start this without any further delay. First, you need to sign into your Oracle Apex account. So just sign in, and then we will reach to this page. Then we need to go to SQL workshop. Then we need to create SQL script. So what we are going to create in this SQL script, we are going to create tables. Tables are really important because we are going to create application based on that tables. So here we are going to build employee table as EMP, department table as DEPT, and sal grade that signifies highest and lowest salary. So first we need to drop table. So I'm going to use command drop. So you can follow me. So first I'm going to drop DPT table using cascade constraint. So cascade constraint is really important because it removes foreign keys and related constraint, and it is really useful when tables are connected. So after that I am going to use create table command for creating department table as DEPT. So as you can see, I'm going to write create DEPT table, and I'm going to insert all the values like datas that are required to insert for DEPT table. So I'm going to give department name, location, department number. So I'm assuming that you have basic knowledge of writing SQL queries. So this is the basic command of creating tables. Like, this is very simple, and you also need to carefully specify which kind of data type we are using. Like, as you can see, for department number I'm using number, and for department name and location I have used varchar. So you need to be careful on that particular things, and you also need to keep in your mind what is your primary key. So similarly I have created another tables like employee table and EMP and sal grade table. So the tables are created. Now we are going to insert values to this table so that we can build our application. So I'm going to use insert into value command for department table DEPT. So as you can see what I'm doing, you can follow the steps or you can check it out description. So in the description I have already kept the link of the GitHub repository. In that repository you can easily find the script file for table. You can just download it and upload to your SQL script account, and then you can directly run and use it. So let's continue. So we are finally done with inserting values to our tables. Now I'm going to run. So how you are going to run this command? Now this is also a very crucial part because so many of you find so many error while running it. So we have to carefully run one by one script at a time. So as you can see I have selected one query and then run it, and here you can see I have found 0 error, and I'm also going to check it in the detail view. So I'm going to switch to detail and click to the go button so that I can find all the detail about this script. So I have successfully run and I didn't found any error. So similarly, I'm going to check another query too. So let's go to the edit script. So here you can see where is the script. So here is the edit script. So click that and now we are going to select create department table and we are going to run that to check the error. So after checking it, you can again find there is no error. So again, I'm going to check it on the detail view page. So selecting on detail, I'm again going to show. So we have done our part of creating table and inserting values. Congratulations, we have cleared first part. Now how you can check that in your SQL your table have been created or not, how you will know? So for that, go to SQL workshop, then go to object browser. So here you can find all your tables. So go to object browser, click on tables, and then you can search for the table in which you have created. So I'm going to select EMP table and then click on data. Now you can easily see that our table has been successfully created and all the values which I kept that you can found here. So congratulations. Now I'm also going to check another table, DPT table. So just search that and here you can see we have successfully created our DPT table. So this is very easy. So before creating your application, you must need data. From on the basis of that data, you are going to create your application. So this is going to help you guys. Now it's time for your MCQ question. So you need to answer this MCQ question in the comment section so that I can understand how much you are understanding. And if you are feel any confusion, then just comment down below and I will help you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more such contents and help you guys. And stay tuned for second episode because second episode is the most important part for building application. This was just a basic SQL queries for creating tables, but the most important vision is to create our application. So we are going to start it from episode 2. So stay tuned, see you again and subscribe to my channel.